pile of men. Once upon a time you were the leading lady till they made a better princess, now you're pushing up daisies.
The odds of you distrusting this dame? The same amount of all of your games. None. Pretty you'll be out of the frame. Cause when I see a rose, then it starts spinning flames. Yeah! Talk about relationships, I don't wanna hear it. At least my hero doesn't always keep disappearing. You try to get with Sonic, but you never get near him. So when it comes to smashing, girl, you only got spirit. Hey, you never be in his heart. That is just your fanfic, you just took to deviant art.